Hi again, part 2 on the dog saga. And I'm also finishing off this abundance plant. I hope you can see it okay there. I did a little bit more since the last video, putting some white on in order to represent the table and to shape the pot. And I also used some of this red ink here to define the side of the pot that's in the shadow on this side. I've only got a little bit more to do actually. And one of the things is, well, I found this oil pastel. That'll be okay, I think. I was going to say it's not really the colour I'm wanting, but I thought it would be quite good to, I thought it'd be quite good to put together, to bring it together with some oil pastel. And actually, if I had a nice brown for the earth, I think that would work quite well too, wouldn't it? This might be brown, yeah. It's a reddish brown, but it'll do. Just to diminish the brightness of the orange within the area that the earth is located. Do you know? So that it makes it sit as though that's the inside of the pot. Okay, and now, for goodness sake, I've got about 10 minutes, and I don't have 10 minutes worth of stuff to do. I can't understand these videos. Anyway, that'll be right. So, the reason I'm saying that is because I thought I had a lot less time, and I was only just going to do a few moves and finish it off. One of the things I wanted to do was to get a kind of a dull brown colour for the background, but you know, I can't find a dull brown colour, so I'm just going to go with this bright blue for some reason. I think that might be quite a nice addition to define the edge of the pot on that side. And maybe I can use it also to define the edge of the leaves in places, so as though the blue is the background colour. It's just quite a pleasing thing, that blue, isn't it? I think it looks quite nice too with the orange of the pot. And this is where the table would stop and the background space begins. I do it on that side, maybe a little bit on that side too. Okay. Alright, and I suppose a darker blue then might be kind of handy to outline the edge of that. I'm pleased with that colour. And I'll do the same up here. So the background reads to me as being darker than the leaves on this side and lighter than the leaves on the other side. So it's nice to have the two blues to define that. Really, I hadn't planned anything much more to this because I kind of like the unfinished thing. But if I've got space, I see that as a blessing, space in the video, and I may as well just carry on. It's really probably very bad advice, isn't it? I may as well just carry on because there's space in the video. Anyway, I feel like it, so. But I also feel like going for a walk before the sun completely goes down. I went out last night for a walk with my friend Jeff out under the moon. It was almost a full moon. It's lovely. It's almost bright enough to walk anyway, which is good because I don't like when the winter sets in and you feel like you're confined to the indoors. Now, with all the colour going in the background, I feel like it's no harm to put some more colour into the negative part of the pot that wasn't described with the collage. Okay, so here's what it looks like now. And there's a bit more than I had planned doing on it, but sure. I guess that's life, isn't it? Sometimes we go in for overkill. So I'd imagine now would be no harm to bring some more, make more of the leaves. And I could use the sepia coloured ink that's on the stick for that. But I also think I'm going to use some more of the green too. So I'll just clean it off with my fingers as best I can and pick up some of the green ink. Where would I do that now? Maybe some here. Yeah, so I was saying that we're heading over to Ireland probably at the weekend. I haven't booked the ferry yet now, but I think it's likely that we're going to go for it. And we'll go and visit family, kind of a Christmas visit, very early Christmas visit, and pick up our new puppy on the way back. It's been a long time. The girls have been a long time asking for a dog. And this is a little mongrel lurcher that we're getting from a guy in Tipperary. So I'm kind of excited about that. And I have a few jobs as well, a couple of paintings I want to deliver and things like that, so it's kind of handy. And these things often fit in with each other. So discernment is needed as well, of course. Right. A little bit more of the sepia colour might tie in things here. I'm going to be drawing a flamenco dancer with Damien Callan tomorrow at Dance Space in Edinburgh. Damien has great classes. He gets last time I was in Dance Space with him, he had Indian dancers. They're very beautiful, and they did a kind of a dance to the god Ganesha at lunchtime. So it was lovely to see the authentic movement and then to be able to capture some of the poses when they later stood or sat for us in the dance positions. And it was all this kind of mixed media stuff that we used. I love that. But the flamenco dance, my God, I saw a clip on YouTube there recently. I'll share it below actually, because it was such an inspiring there was such an inspiring dancer, flamenco dancer, who was in a film called Keep Up with the Boys or something like that. She was totally taken by the spirit of the dancing goddess or something. Like, she was really on fire, hammering the floor. It was just so inspiring. So I'm glad that I've seen that video before going to do the drawings, because I think that'll be in the energy I bring to it, hopefully. Okay, I'm kind of annoying myself now because I think I'm just doing it because I've got time, which is unusual. I've actually got time to say goodbye to you properly. Okay, so there's the picture. Bit of slapdash, but like I said, I mostly just wanted to talk to you. And there's the abundance plant, and this is me, Anya Divine. If you want to know more about me and the work that I do, workshops and all the rest of it, have a look at the links below. And stay in touch, you know, write a comment or something like that. We've got a lovely autumn leaves outside, almost gone now. And I've got one there. Yeah, so have a go at drawing or painting some sort of a plant that you might have around your house, just as a way of connecting with that old creative play child inside. Good medicine for us. I'm off out for a walk now because, as you can see, it's almost dark. Okay, all the best everyone. See you next time. Bye.